Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 165th edition release. And I am going to start out by showing you the paper. And this is called "'Tis the Season 2026. And as you can tell, you can see that all those papers on there. Really, really cute. Let me show you this way here. Just kind of spread it out there. Oops, it's a little shiny there. But we have some beautiful papers here. And the one that's on top is probably my favorite. It has little white roses on there. And the other side has like Christmas trees on there. Hopefully you can see those. And then this one has little berries and like Christmas greens on there. And there goes the back side. And here we go. We have some like ivory poinsettias and snowflakes on this side. And we have some Christmas greens along with the berries. And we have polka dots. And that's kind of like got a watermark on there as well. And then here we have some envelopes with Christmas greens. And we have some stars there. And we have some more Christmas greens with some berries. And we have like a gingham check on the back side. Really cute papers. And then she's also releasing some peppermint sprinkles. And that's how those look. They're epoxy stickers, really cute. Love these. And we have some Bear Hugs ephemera. And let me show you how those look. Hopefully you can see all of those. I want to say you get 5 of each, with an exception of, I think, the presents, and those might be 4 of each. Don't quote me on that though, but quite a bit. I mean a ton. And I really like those, so super cute. This is probably my favorite here with the mailbox, along with that North Pole. Really, really cute. Then we have some holiday evergreens ephemera. And there goes those. And I want to say you get 4 or 5 of each of those. I don't quite remember the exact amount. And let me tell you what else Miss Emma is releasing this month. And this is going to be a real sneaky peek for you because I'm not showing you the dies until tomorrow. So you have to come back tomorrow to see the dies. Anyways, we have a 3x3 chunky card holder die, Cozy Holiday Hugs Stampin' Dies, cute pinwheel dies, pocket corner bookmark poinsettia dies, and that's an actual plate, poinsettia plate die, and then holiday bear hugs ephemera, which I just showed you, as well as the holiday evergreens ephemera, and I showed you that, and then the peppermint sprinkles, as well as the paper pack that I just showed you. Now let me show you all of the items I used to create my projects, the additional items. So we have the snowflake dies, round oval dies, 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons. And then we also have the eyelet doily dies, so I'm using this one. And then we also have the cute card dies, cute card base dies. That's the other one that I'm using. And like I said, this is going to be truly a sneaky peek because I'm not showing you everything. You have to come back tomorrow to see all the dies. And remember, tomorrow is the release and hop. So make sure you come back tomorrow, leave a comment on everybody's posts, all of that jazz. If you like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase starting tomorrow. Let's jump in with this cute card here. I thought that was adorable. Love that ephemera. Those little bears are just the cutest. And I backed that up with that snowflake die and added a little peppermint sprinkle on there. And there goes the winter wishes. And that's the stamp and dies that I use for that. I love this little bag there. And that paper with the envelopes is just the cutest. And then there goes the inside of that card there. Okay, let me show you the bookmark next. I'm going to show you the card that I made with the big bookmark first. And here we go. So I actually just put my bookmark right off to a side and used it as a gift card holder, which is very simple to do, works just perfect, in and out. And then I also used that evergreen ephemera back there. And then there goes the Stampin' Dies once again, Cozy Holiday Hugs. And I did add sparkle on all of my ephemera, as you can tell there. And I can just pop that right in there. I did finish off the inside. There goes another ephemera piece, and I added some little peppermint sprinkles there, and it says stacked with love. So love how that looks, and that's that Christmas tree paper in the background. Really like that. And then I also made a little bookmark that you can put on the side of a book if you'd like. I did use the evergreen ephemera there, a little holiday cheer, and then I popped these little presents up, added the little sparkle on there, as you can tell, and it works just perfectly. So it'll just slide right in on top of a book, just like that. Love that. Love how that looks. Really cute. And then, how's about that chunky box holder and pinwheels? Let me show you this. I'm actually going to move these out of the way. Give me a sec. So look at that pinwheel. And then I also used the poinsettia dies on there. Oh, I forgot to add a little gem on there, so you'll see. And actually, I've already taken the pictures, but I forgot to add a little gem, but I will put a little gem on there. But I did forget to add the gem before I took the pictures, so it is what it is. But so super cute. So if you'd like to make anything chunky in here, like a chunky 3x3 card, or you can actually put 3x3 cards in there. And so I made some for tomorrow that I'll be showing you, and I think I have 3 in there, but I'm sure it can fit 4 or 5 with the envelopes. So really, really cute. Love that. I did add some stickles. I mean, not stickles, but some glitter around. So pretty. Look at that pinwheel. And this side, I use it as a flower, but if you flip it over, it'll be like a regular pinwheel. And then in the inside, what I did was I stamped out some of the Stampin' Dies, and whoever is the recipient of this is put on with the removable dots, and they can just pop that up and use those sentiments. So I thought that was a perfect way to store those. And then I also have some extra pinwheels that I just popped in here, and I thought those were just perfect as well. Put some shred in there, and all the layers that you'll see tomorrow, you can use the outside layers as the inside layer as well. Just perfect. I thought that was so cute, and I thought that was a perfect way to gift extra sentiments there. Just put them in the inside, and remember, My Creative Times paper has a little sheen to it, so that should come off perfect with those removable glue dots. But love how that turned out. So I'm just going to set that right there and give you a little look again. Make sure you come back tomorrow to see what I have created for you, and make sure you're commenting on all the posts tomorrow. Go over to Instagram, comment on the ladies over there, so you'll have a chance to, 2 chances to win over here on YouTube and on Instagram as well. All of the ladies' links will be down below, and remember, you can use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase. And I think that's about it. So you all have a blessed and crafty day.